So this is just a short video to show off a little bit and to prove not believers that good quality tools, right tools for the right job make the job much easier. This is just a quick, very simple example. I'm planning to change this UK plug for the European plug, and I will use these three tools, in this case Wera Phillips screwdriver. It's not insulated because the plug is not connected to any source of electricity. And then I will use this vice grip insulation stripper and the Knipex wire cutter. So it is as simple as this. So I cut the wire with a wire cutter. I removed about 3 centimeters of insulation with the Irwin stripper. And actual wire insulation. I twist these wires a little bit. I open my new electrical plug. This one is quite very good quality in my opinion. It is Legrand brand. And you will see how easy it is to install the cable in this plug. So I insert the neutral into its location, then the live as well. There is no ground wire here, so it's even quicker. Then I open this cable holder. Lock it in position to make sure there is no strain on the cable. I insert the cable holder back in its location. And I lock it. Job done. So thanks to all these tools, the job that would take me probably about 5 minutes took me, even with comments, probably less than 2 minutes. Wire insulation stripper speeds up the process extremely. Then the wire cutter, because it's so sharp, so strong, and it doesn't damage the wire. It works like scissors, as you can see. Makes it even quicker. And a good screwdriver with a laser etched tip holds the screws very well. So there are 3 screws in this case, or sometimes 4 screws to screw in. It makes it even quicker. Thanks. Have a great day.